is insulation day. We're filling all the seams with expanding foam. It actually helps a little bit. It's a lot of work for little, but we did the whole thing. Still got to figure out a couple things with welding. We're going to put the fireplace in today. I got the furnace, the one I want, that's going to go over here. We got to figure out how high we want it to sit. The roof set. Check out the roof. This is awesome. Stoked. So yeah, the roof's still, we're gonna put the solar panels on soon. Solar panels are actually probably going today. And we're gonna wrap the outside with waterproofing. Get that done. That way it's a little more just airtight, weatherproof. And that's today. I think that's what we'll probably get to at the end of the day is get the whole place wrapped. Fireplace installed, furnace installed. Yeah, if I can get that far, I'll be pretty happy. It's the 17th of January, and I have to be in Denver on the 23rd of January with this. Okay, so here we are. It's the last no rain day. It's the 17th, and got a couple days. We're working on the siding, so we got the whole house wrapped. I'm gonna draw out the lines. We're gonna do like some sort of mountain scene. Not really sure yet how detailed I want to get. That these are the different cuts of the metal that will make up the siding. Everything taped. This is a waterproofing that's super cool. It's pick and steel, goes on when it's warm, and super waterproof. Water can't go up. It's yeah, it is on there. So anyway, we got a wrap. We're gonna screw the siding on, come up with a design tonight. So in the morning, I'm gonna start bending the metal and cutting it, and we'll see how that goes. It's gonna rain tomorrow though. I think that's enough for a night. We got one side done. We can do the rest, the other one in the rain, I guess. Adios.